Today we will talk about group by function in Excel. A group by function is very handy. Suppose you have different products and you want to calculate the sales by each product. So you can group by the sales by product. We can do this with pivot table as well. But let's talk about group by function today. Very powerful function in Excel. So see, you have this data where you have given name of the salespeople, date, product, units, dollars, and location where they have sold the products. So now we'll talk about grouping the sales by name. Like we want to know which person has done the sale, how much. So let's go to new sheet. So now we'll write equals to group by. It talks about row field. What do you want to grow field? Row field means the groups you want to create. So let's say as a table, one is the name of my table. I say I want to name it with name. So I'll group the sales by name, comma. Now it asks me values. What do you want to value? Group. So I can either combine the total units or total dollars. So let's do first units. Units. Okay. Now it asks you what you want to do. Say I want to do sum. Close the bracket. And see you got the sales by name. Clear? Now, suppose you also want to know the maximum and minimum value of these sales. So let's do it again. This time we will use add stack function with combination of the aggregate function. Let's start. Equals to group by. Now in row field, we'll again take, let's say product this time. So I say table 1, square bracket. I say product. Fine. Square bracket close, comma. And now it asks you value. So this time, let's again take units. Now units, after that, comma. Now we want to do sum, average. There are lots of functions and we want multi answers, right? So there's a smart trick. We talked about stack function in our last video. So let's talk about stack. Now I will stack all the functions like sum, comma max, comma min. Okay, let's close the bracket of stack and then group by. And see, we got all these like this. One more it. Hope you enjoyed this group by function. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comments. Thank you.